Another really cool feature of Outlook is the ability to work with an AI coaching assistant to help you write better emails. For example, you can see here that I'm drafting an email response to our customer complaint. And I'm saying, okay, I hear you. However, after having spoken to the reception team, I'm confident that our staff acted appropriately and you were screaming and shouting. What response do you expect? Our team are not there to tolerate your rage. So I'm taking a very defensive stance just here. The room wasn't ready because you arrived an hour before the stated time. You were directed to the hotel bar and we offered to store your luggage. I'm not sure how we could have been more accommodating. Now, whilst this response might be based entirely in fact, and that's what you might feel like responding, do we really want to send this back to a customer? Really, in this type of situation, our main aim is to turn it around and retain that business. So I'm going to select the text and we're going to get some help from our Copilot coach. So you can see here it says get suggestions to help write better emails. So if I choose coaching by Copilot, you can see here it gives me some pointers. So if we go to tone, it says I could have been more courteous, which I agree with. The email sounds defensive and aggressive, which could damage the relationship. And then it gives me a suggestion. Instead of okay, I hear you, the email could say thank you for your feedback or I appreciate your perspective. So we've got some really nice suggestions just there. It then tells us we should consider their emotions, so we're not acknowledging the customer's feelings or showing empathy. I get more suggestions just here. We value your satisfaction, or we want you to have a pleasant stay. And then at the bottom it says we could provide more detail so the customer has a bit more of an understanding of our position. So we could add information about the check-in policy, and again we could apologize and suggest how we're going to rectify it. So this is a really nice way of just being able to judge if the tone and the clarity of your email is appropriate for the situation. Check it out. I love this feature.